it's more flavorful.
That's right. Then a little bit oil on this because we don't want to. There will be not too much, yeah,
Just a little.
just a little. I bring this fresh ground pepper once again.
There's a lot of onion
I
here.
know. Karen, seriously, shopping.
Did you guys see how much onion I have?
I'm like, hey, look up a minute, Karen. You seriously, oh, look at her.
Let me just get
I was taking
you email me a picture.
There's got
Yeah.
a movie of me chopping onion. You can stop
Well,
me.
look,
Ken.
You know what, I'm surprised you're.
All right. Now, that's the meat. Because everyone
Oh, little onion.
doing itself. He mix every person mixed meat as he likes. Yeah, some
that's
some
nice,
go on
yes.
onion, some on onion, and some pickles. Teraz tak, weźmiesz i miseczki przynieś na rozsądkę. Masz tutaj. Ja ci pomogę może, bo ty się troszeczkę jeszcze krępujesz. A ja ci tutaj tak. Cebulkę do jednego. Anchovies.
Oh, anchovy.
Oh,
Oh,
anchovy.
cool.
Anchovies. You put it here.
I love the cherries.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
Now, some capers, some people like capers.
Yeah, some do.
Okay, and now the very, very scary thing. How's it called, this bird?
It's kind of
It's like a birthday.
squab or a,
Well, something like, we call them przepiórka.
okay.
Przepiórka.
Which
an A.
is,
That's the little
It's not the
bird.
pigeon.
Oh, probably.
Is that probably a pigeon? Yeah, pigeon egg. Where the bird is.
I know where you can get a lot of those.
Oh, and you separate it.
oh my, look at that.
Oh, wow.
It's so tiny.
So it's not easy.
It's a lot of
Oh, I'm sorry.
Sometimes when the priest put it out, we put it on it, yeah. Then usually we do very, very few.
drizzle it. Very nice.
And some people get this with maybe for the presentation better, some pink pepper.
They're pretty.
And of course, have to be our popular herb, parsley.
Parsley, yep.
And this parsley is
Oh, lovely. That's a nice
just
picture.
kind of like
Yep.
this. And we have a nice plate to do.
Yes, very good.
Propose you, and I do for you something like this.
Really nice.
Where is your olive oil from Italy? Where-
Yes, from Italy. I have few.
What are your favorite?
I'm very happy with this restaurant because right now I have chance to invite you because down there I have 240 meters of kitchen
Oh,
Yeah, big building, 400 square meters just for this. But was no place to sit and enjoy the evening. Okay, now for me. Please.
Go ahead.
There you go.
red onion now.
Yeah, not red onion.
I'm so afraid to do that.
I know, me
You
too.
need those,
Kevlar gloves.
Kevlar gloves. Do you ever chop your fingers?
Yes, many times. You see my hands. I'm looking like crazy.
Oh.
I like 2 weeks ago. I burned my hand here and
Or
here.
there, there,
Yeah,
okay,
that's
I'll
right.
go.
Try to try. It's very, very good. Welcome to meeting in San Santiago, and we meet Mrs. President of Chile.
Oh.
I make for you the bigger salad, and after you divide for is one herring at the part, okay? I teraz jedziemy.
I can move mine down.
No, my mix.
So that's oil.
That's
Yeah,
right, for
supposed to be
oil.
lots of oil.
Oh, okay, oil.
And with this, I'll put some for you because you're Italian. Oil, extra virgin. This one is not that strong, that is alright.
Oh, no, mine is way in the back. This is yours right here. This is Kathy's.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah, mine's right by the
I
lemon.
just, last time I turned around, mine was in
I
the
know,
lemon.
and I thought.
Yeah, I stuck mine by the lemon.
I should move mine because.
So mine's by the wine.
Did you feel that I have to give you right back?
Yes,
whole
ma'am.
house?
Right.
So do you always add the tomatoes last? Is that?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Because then the part.
Well, then, okay. That looks awesome.
Of course, some salt. Salt and pepper.
Pepper.
But you know, communism is a very sick, how to say, system.
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's what I don't like. It. It's if some family work so hard so many years, and just because the communists came and take them house,
Yeah.
it's crazy.
Yeah.
So you just add like a quarter of the lemon to that?
That's right. Just to
a
make the
quarter.
taste.
Tad, yeah.
All right. And now you just put a little bit on the middle to make sure. Of course, this herring we can put in the oil, but I don't want to make too saggy. In Polish,
Right.
people put it in oil, and after on the plate will be too much messy.
Oh, so.
Oh, nice.
I see what we're doing with all this stuff. Okay.
Państwo też po jednego fileta na pół, dobrze? Okay.
So the tomatoes go in.
Oh, isn't that beautiful?
Okay, of course.
Of course.
Polish traditional herb. And now we can put some oil, just a little bit. And some pepper. And this and this one. Wziąłbyś, przyniósł małe talerzyki, wiesz? Takie, wiesz, okrągłe. Alright, then we have another nice
Very pretty.
traditional,
Did you get a picture, everybody?
Yeah, I
traditional
think I
dish.
have one, but I'll get one closer.
And Christian in one moment. Because some people don't like have a any touch of meat, and some people love it. Then I'm doing for this who love it with meat. Then what I'm doing? I'm doing one pot with vegetable broth, another pot with broth which is coming from smoked bones.
Smoked what?
Bones. Smoked beef bones.
Okay.
Then
Beef bones,
beef
okay.
bones. Then the smoked bones give it like beautiful flavor for this. And after when I'm doing, for example,
Apple, okay.
fresh apple, give it you the taste of freshness, give it you sweetness a little bit, and this broth will be for sure.
Did you cut the apple in half and put
Just
it in?
put it in. You just end of the parsley, put it in, and some honey,
How many beets did you put in there? How many whole beets?
whole beets. For let's say for your cooking.
Oh, we're gonna get recipes.
For two people, you want, or for
Yeah,
four?
for two
For
people.
two people. Because if you want it too much sour, you add in the honey.
Vinegar and honey.
The honey compared to maybe somebody more wine, please.
No, I'm good. Good, thank you.
I take a little bit, very nice companion. And I put
Exactly,
Good.
please, join us.
just.
Cheers.
Then when you have the broth like this, everything is alright, you cook them well, but in the Polish stores in the States is something which is called, I'll show you, oh, that one, the concentrate of the red borscht. The company is called Krakers.
Okay.
And now when you have situation like I have right now, then it tastes nicely.
Okay. BARSZC,
Right.
it's a concentrate.
Very,
Yeah.
very difficult.
We
So
would-
borscht,
We can find that in the US.
for sure.
Okay.
No, the Polish stores, because I'm
Yeah,
doing one
they have
exhibition,
Yeah.
one exhibition in Washington, broth, overall as beetroot soup, or for the borscht, sour borscht, is the margarine.
Marjoram.
Margarine,
Yeah.
margarine,
Yeah.
lots of margarine.
Yes.
Of course, the garlic. Garlic is the main
yeah.
thing.
Yeah.
And I'm putting in second a little bit garlic, but everything I get strained very nicely with a fine sieve, because I don't wanna, I want this very, very nice and clean.
Okay.
And how we put it, and we give it this with little kind of tortellini, we call them pierożki, tak? The pierogis is big one, pierożki is small one,
Pierożki is teeny.
like a little tortellinis.
Okay.
And for example, for the Christmas Eve, you don't add this broth from smoked beef bones. Usually just from vegetable broth, because in Christmas Eve you can eat meat in the Polish tradition. And when you do the pierożki tortellinis, you do just from the white mushrooms stuffing.
Okay.
Then the same white mushroom what you have but fresh, with onion pan fry, pepper, salt, a little bit margarine, make nice and tough, and after nice dough, put your little tortellinis to the board for the Christmas. Of course, you know, it's many years ago, right now when Pop said that, you can guys do whatever you
Yeah,
want.
yeah, that's
We
true.
don't care.
Right.
But you farmer cheese, half fat. Farmer cheese, no fat.
Yeah.
You need a little
Full
fat.
fat.
Yeah.
Then you just nicely go through the machine and melt it. After we second ingredients is the mashed potato. Then you
Yep.
cook potato, go through this machine. But it's like this. For 1 kilo of cheese is going 2 kilos of potato and 1 kilo of fresh onion. Which this onion you dice in square very nicely, and of course you pan fry very well to make sure it's not.
Right.
That's
Now,
right.
how do you cook your potatoes? Do you bake them, boil them, or?
Boil.
different-
I
Boil.
boil.
You boil them and then mash them?
That's right.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I.
And it's going to the same machine when I put it to the cheese. It's like
Like the rice or